Hi, my name is Catherine Florentino. I'm a licensed real estate broker and a licensed real estate appraiser. I've been with Dataland Inc. since 2013. I started as an in-house sales agent, and back then we only have one project. But now, I'm one of the lead broker, and I'm proud to say that I've contributed significantly to the success of our condo projects over the years. One of the things I really appreciate about Dataland Inc. is the premium commission that I get. Parang sweldo na siya. Honestly, not only the commission rate that is high, but also the release, wala siyang delay. So, kahit nung nag-pandemic, for 2 years na wala ako sa Manila, every month may nare-release pa din siya. So, ganon kaganda yung commission for Dataland. Kahit na sobrang busy ako sa everyday life ko, ang commission ng Dataland is automatically nare-release sa amin monthly. This means I can focus on closing deals and growing my business while I know my commissions are being taken care of efficiently. Actually, being part of Dataland since 2013, start ako as sales agent. They supported me to become broker. So, sila yung nagpaaral sa akin para maging licensed real estate broker. And right now, natatamasa ko yung privilege na binigay nila. That's why I'm super proud to be part of Dataland family. It truly is a company that supports its brokers. Salamat, Dataland!